Have you ever gone to the doctor because something feels wrong, but when the doctor asks,
"What brings you in today?"
your mind suddenly goes blank? You felt uncomfortable enough to make the appointment, but explaining it feels harder than expected.
Today, I want to help you prepare for that moment. I'll show you how to explain what you're feeling. Sal, what questions to ask, and how to understand what doctors really mean calmly, clearly, without fear.
How to explain your discomfort.
Many people think they need medical words to talk to a doctor. The answer is,
You don't.
doctors don't need perfect language. They need clear changes. Instead of saying, "I have pain, try this." "I used to walk for 30 minutes. Now I get tired after 10. I sleep through the night. Lately, I wake up 3 times." Changes in your daily life are more important than medical terms. Before your appointment, ask yourself one simple question. What has changed for me in the last few weeks or months?
The questions that actually matter.
Many people leave the doctor's office with answers, but still feel unsure. That's often because the right questions were never asked. Here are 3 questions doctors quietly wish patients would ask. First, what does this mean for my daily life? Second, what should I watch for at home? Third, what happens if we do nothing for now? These questions slow the conversation down in a good way.
What doctors really mean by normal.
Sometimes doctors say something that feels unsettling.
This is normal for your age.
That sentence can feel dismissive, but medically, it often means something else. In medicine, normal means common, not meaningless. It doesn't mean you should suffer. It means the doctor is deciding whether treatment helps more than it harms. If you're unsure, it's okay to ask. Questions like, is this something we should monitor? Are there options if it gets worse?
Leaving the appointment with clarity.
You don't need to remember everything. You just need to leave with clarity. Before you leave, repeat what you understood. So, what I hear is, we'll watch this, and I should come back if this changes. This isn't challenging the doctor. It's teamwork. You deserve to feel heard. You deserve to understand your health. Preparation brings confidence. Understanding brings peace. And no question is ever too small when it comes to your well-being. Thanks for watching. Take care. Now, go and see your doctor. Until next time, Take it slow.